Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are not going to try to do any coding or nothing else. So this topic is completely related to few people for the freshers and how the chat GPT, Google Gemini, these kind of stuff, so we'll try to understand. So when come to the freshers, so they need to understand the one thing. So blindly they are going and learning the RPA or might be the Java or might be the Python. So without there is no base, so how they can understand the logics. For example, right now they are using the chat GPT. It's a very good, we are appreciating with that one. So the thing is, for example, if I go and ask the chat GPT, give me the sum of the two addition numbers, for example. So I'm also using the chat GPT, but it's depends upon the person to person. For example, if I ask sum of two numbers, so you can give anything is there. So the thing is you need to understand how the logics are working and why it came a. What is this a? If you directly ask this one, what is the a? What is the int? What is the sum? What is the calculation you are doing? So if you don't know this, what about the int or might be the string or might be something else? How what you will understand? So you are many of the peoples are doing the mistake right this way. So you go and chat with the chat and get the code. That is not a problem. The problem is once you get this code, many of the people are they're not reading this one, directly copying and pasting into the ideally is like Java ideally, or might be the Visual Studio ideally, or might be the Python ideally. So directly copying and paste. For example, if I see here what they are doing, I will tell you. So now this is the Python ideally. They will come here and they will remove this. For example, so I will save this something else. So they'll run this one. So I got here something input is the result. So it's saying invalid syntax. They are not taking this one directly again copy this code here, getting syntax error. So the thing is you are doing not the right way perspective. The first thing is you need to understand. So what you ChatGPT given the code. Okay, why it got error here directly? If you see here now, when you go to some other IDLs, directly it will give the error, but here it's not giving. So you need to understand why the error is coming. What is the int of the what is the purpose of int? What is the purpose of string, and what type of variables we have, like dynamic variables, static variables, global variables, heap memory variables, and we have some lot of memories. Sorry, lot of variables are there. You need to understand the base. Without the base, if you come onto ChatGPT with these things, what will the use of this? I'm not understanding. The most of the people are doing right this way only. But what I'm saying is from my perspective, that is the wrong way. The thing is you need to understand the very base concept. So if you not learn directly, if you want to run, how you will run it, it won't be like a practical, it won't be work. The same thing you need to think and take the decisions, not the directly copying and pasting and getting the code. If you don't know about what is a int mean, int it is just storing the numbers. So and when it comes to the int, we have the again one more thing is there, double is there, float is there. What is a double, what is a float, why it came, these many concepts are there. So you need to understand that the first. So not directly go and I will learn RPA, I will learn Java, I will learn Python, I will learn C. So these and all different perspectives, different processes they are using. The thing is you need to understand the base. So there is no base, there is no code concept. Many of the things say I will go RPA because of its low code. Your decision is right, but when you come to RPA also there is a real truth. So when I go to here, this is the one thing. So if I run this, here also I have the environment variables. When I type here, okay, let it come inside, then only it will work. So when I come here, env environment, what is this environment? Environment dot path, environment dot machine, environment, we have a lot of things are no process path. So what is this environment? If you don't know this environment, what you will do understand. So this is a environment is a one kind of variable. You need to understand that what is the global variables, what is the local variables. So when you go here, lot of variables are there. You need to understand that is a core concept. If you don't know core concept, hundred of course if you do also, it's not in a use, not in a right direction to use. And when come to the another thing, I have the chat GPT, I can go and do the code in my organization. So the real truth, one more thing. So many of the companies, not only the one company, many of the companies, big companies also, especially for finance or might be medical or HR departments also, they are not allowing to use chat GPT or might be the Google Gemini or Grok AI. or might be the some other third party APIs who are, they are not allowing to that, this because of this is privacy of our data, privacy of the company's data. So you need to think this also. So for example, if you have your mobile, so you will allow to me to get some data from your side, not now, just there's a small mobile which we are doing from our own. But when come to the companies, it has lot of data, they are not ready to share the data. For example, now for example, I will just copy this data, I got error, something error, so I will come and paste here. What will happen? It will capture our my data. So my C user, I have lot of system, a lot of data you are giving here. So everything it will store. So tomorrow it will affect to the organization. So that's why they are banning this one. And I will say, I will learn from ChatGPT. I mean interview coding. I can do from with the ChatGPT. So while you are doing interview, this is also one more real fact. So they are not allowing you to do any code on the ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So you need to do with your own. That time, if you don't know, that time also, for example, just assume that. So while interviewing, you put another screen. So you can take that code from there and you can pass it here. For example, in Notepad. So they asked you do some code on the Notepad. You did. So you copy the data code from the ChatGPT or Google Gemini, whatever the AI, you can copy it and you can keep into the one Notepad. So suddenly, if they ask what is the purpose of this particular variable, if you're not able to answer, then it's gone now. So here also the concept is very simple. Don't it's a lot big impact. Nothing is said. The concept is very simple. You need to understand the core subject. Here core is nothing but as a variables, and what is the environment variables, what is the if conditions, what is switch conditions, why you are using loop, why you are using while loop, why you are using do while loop. So if you know these concepts, then you are able to go with Python, Java, whatever it may be language. So you need to understand this is a very base concept. So right now, how I am doing, like RPA, if you come to RPA, we have a lot of tools are there. How I get to know a lot of these tools? Because of this is my base. So if I don't know my base, it won't be impact. And one more, I will real truth I will tell you. So when come to the Excel, many of the people thinks Excel is a just a kind of small serial number. I have that some data, I have some data. So when you go to here, it has a lot of formulas are there. See what is a if, what is a thing, and we have the sum if, so count if you go to VLOOKUPs, this is a first basics of the when systems are came. So now AI came, you can get this formula from the AI, and most of the people thinking AI came, so it will be impact in the RPA. Basically, it won't impact. It will go in a different perspective if you understand clearly. So I will tell you one example. When you go to long back 1990s or 1985, that time, so we got a machines. Machines means like we got computers at the time. So it's a very small thing, but that time peoples who are there, they are manually writing the reports. For example, what is the daily wages of this and all, they have writing in the manually like ledgers. So after a couple of years, machines came. So when missions came, many of the peoples are they worried about their works. So how it will be impact, don't know, nothing is they don't know. So after a couple of years, directly they are transferring from their level to different level. So jobs are created many things. So going future also, it be lot of chances are there. So when you see this one, Claude AI, many people are saying Claude AI, Claude AI, Claude AI. Okay, I understand. The thing is, who will use that Claude AI? So it directly cannot touch into the uipath, or might be directly it cannot interact na. So the companies will not understand. And agentic process automation APA, many of people are asking APA, but we are not getting the approvals from the client side because data privacy. So we need to build our own tools, then only it will capable. So simply AI, these are just a kind of boost our work fast, that's it. Simple things. I'm not sure whether I delivered right way or not way, but this is a real fact. You need to understand. So many of the people are seeing my videos. Uh, Many organizations are you're working on different organizations. Share your thoughts also. Why they are not allowing you ChatGPT or Google Gemini? Many of the companies blocked. So initially they are using, but literally they blocked they blocked all the things. So now you cannot use this Copilot also. It's blocked. So you will ask. So I have the Copilot in yeah, automation anywhere. So you can that if it is allowing by the you automation anywhere, then your company is okay. You can do it. That is within their permissions. within the automation anywhere. When come to the UI, we have the one more autopilot is there. That is their product, their own product. Already we are using this UI path, so we came just autopilot. So it's a inbuilt feature, so it won't impact, not that much impact. So when you go to the Power Apps, so it has already built with the Copilot, so you can utilize that one. But directly, for example, this is my data. Just assume this. So I copy this data and I will go to our chat GPT. If I give this data, this is my client data, how it will allow. So this is what you need to understand. That is what I want to say to you peoples. So I mean, I'm not saying don't use ChatGPT. ChatGPT you much should use. So because moving around, so you need also learn the technology, not the kind of like by heart or might be the some things. So earlier I was in some one of the person, one of the student or one of the person, they asked me, so how many things are should I by heart in the code? So I got literally shocked. People's are, I don't know what their intentions. I'm not understanding whether in their colleges or might be some other students are there. So they are training the proper way or not. I'm not understanding what is the by heart of the code. If you by heart of the code also, they have lakhs of codes are there. How will you will by heart? So this is not right the way to understand the concept. So I know my videos, which is for the not for the beginners, I understand. So my main concept is, so I need to share the real world, I mean real world concepts, not the regular stuff. If you want to do that also, I'm able to do. But I need some comments from your side, then only what you are expecting from this channel. So then only I can able to do. So I'm trying to ask many people's, either it is a small or might be big or might be the medium. So just post your comment, I will try to ask. Last time SAP, they asked how we can declare the variable. I did the video on 2 to 3 days, or I don't know, maybe next week I did. So if you have the doubts, if you have the questions, post your questions, I will try to explain. So only the main concept is, whether you go my channel or other channel or might be ChatGPT or might be the Google. So only the main important is you need to understand the base. If you know the base, everything will be the good. If you don't know the base, so everything will be the bad. So this is what happening right now. So you need to understand like that way and go ahead. I mean, move forward. So this is what I want to deliver. Whether did I deliver properly or not, I don't know. So share your thoughts, share your comments on this video. Generally, I won't ask multiple times comments, but this video I need to understand the first time whether did I deliver the my words properly or not. So I hope who are seeing this video, they might be shared their thoughts or might be the comments. I'm expecting for the first time. Yeah, that's it. That's from my side. Thanks for watching video.